Hey, you've heard the main riff before. Let's see what else is going on underneath. I'll put it in the Aeros Looper here. I'll play these chords. We'll go through them. I'll put some stabs in. Here's another part coming up. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the main riff on top of that. So you can choose which part you want to play. We'll go through them all slowly and it's like 1, 2. Here's the main riff. Hey, that is so fun. Hey, Under My Thumb, Rolling Stones, Shane back with here from Guitar Work. Welcome back, and thank you for subscribing and all that good YouTube stuff. Thumbs up have met the world, and all your comments and suggestions. Always a lot of requests for Rolling Stones stuff. 1966 from the Aftermath album, and I was amazed when I listened to it and I heard it sounds so fresh still. That's 59 years old. And that's amazing, just amazing. We'll go through the main riff, of course, this guy, as I said, and we'll do a full play along. We'll do a slow down play along for a couple of verses, a couple of choruses, and then we'll do a full speed ahead as we always do. And we'll be using, as you just saw, the Aeros Looper. I just used the Aeros Looper from Singer Sound and the fabulous Beatbuddy. We'll see that more and more, and all the links will be below, and hope you'll go out and grab one of those, a promo code and all that good stuff. We'll talk further about it. It's wonderful devices and great practice buddies, companions kind of thing. So hey, as always, I've got 3 sheets for you. I've got 2 song sheets and 1 detail sheet. And I'll be referring to that the whole time on my fabulous iPad right here. And if you have questions and stuff, please head down to the comments section, and for now we'll leap right in. Patreon, I should say, if you head to patreon.com/guitarwork, grab your song sheets. Patreon, this is video number 224. There's a ton of songs up there, so join us. You can do all the play-alongs with us. It does not have to be a lifelong commitment. Go grab your sheets. Join us. We have a great community going there where we can go back and forth in the forum. So let's go there. So this guy here, the main riff, let's start with that because that's kind of the sexiest part of it. I'll get to the chord shapes in your detail sheet in a second, but the main riff is you're seeing tablature, and tab, of course, is telling you what fret to play on what string. It's starting here on the 9th fret of the A string. There's your 9th fret of the A, to the 7th fret of the D, to the 9th fret of the D, and then I'm going to take that same finger and bring them way up to 11. I'll do that again. Here's the top. 9, 7, 9, then drag him up to the 11th, and go back to where you started, 9 on the A. Play it twice. So that is this. So hey, you stop tape there and just get that going. Fingerings, I've written them in there. Anything circled with any number circled with a number in it. That's a left-hand fingering. Now, it's negotiable in this particular song. If you have something that works better for you, that's fine too. That's over the F sharp minor. You see F sharp minor bracketed like that. So while you're doing that, the rhythm player is playing an F sharp minor chord, either there or here or something like that. We'll go through those as well. So that's the first one. Over the E chord, you're going to see this guy. And that is 7 on the A, 6 on the D, 7 on the D. Here I'm going to use my pinky. Some of you won't like that. It's to 9 on the D. So that is 7, 6, 7, 9. If your pinky doesn't want to stretch that far, it's usually because your thumb's up high. If your thumb's up high like that, it renders your pinky useless. It just will not stretch. So try to get that thumb down like that. You could do a different fingering. It could be 7, 6, 5, 7, and then you could drag this guy up. Or you could use a ring finger, whichever you prefer. I just like to use my pinky there. So the second bit over the E. Gotta like it. 2 frets lower, exactly the same thing. This would be over the D chord when we get there. D, 5, 4, 5, 7, 5. So 2 of them are the same. The E and the D are the same. So I know they don't look like E's and D chords that you're used to, but that's what's going on underneath that. Okay, so here is the top again. Here is slowly. F sharp minor. Down to the 7th fret. thing 2 frets lower. Repeat. Yeah, I like to rest my right hand, as I'm always telling you, I like to rest my right hand on the bridge. I miss less strings. I still miss occasionally, but I'd miss a whole lot more if I wasn't resting. And I'm playing on electric guitar. Absolutely works on acoustic guitar. If you don't have an electric, that's totally fine. Grab your acoustic, grab your electric. I just felt like changing up. I haven't played this guitar in a while, and I love it. So in time, you're going to get this. Notice that slightly muted sound. I'm just touching the strings ever so gently with my right hand here. Gives it a percussive quality. Also helps me to control the dynamic. Yeah, so that's your main riff. Recommend stop tape there, get that together. And underneath that, you're going to see, I've written chord shapes. Underneath that, if you're going to play the rhythm part, is an F sharp minor. That's probably one of your most important bar chords and probably your easiest bar chord. I'm going to cross that 2nd fret and ring and pinky here on the 4th fret, that A and D. And I'm noticing in my case, I've got my middle finger helping out with the bar. Like that, just giving a little extra squish power. But don't hurt yourself, throw your back out doing it. It's F sharp minor to an E, to a D. The D gets 2 bars, 2 counts of 4. F sharp minor, E, D. And strumming wise, you know, there's lots going on. I guess if I had to round it off, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 like that. Of course, you're going to hear variation galore in there. It's a true stereo recording, so if you really want to focus in on that acoustic guitar and what he's doing, you can just turn off the left channel, take your left headphone out, whatever you can do, and that really isolates things, because back then that's how they recorded things. Alternative chord shapes, same chords, but different location, different octave, or different register. Here's an F sharp minor up here. That's your 9th fret. You'll see a picture of him. What's those Roman numerals? F sharp minor. It's like a B minor. And you bring that first finger up till it's on the 9th fret, barring the 9th. You might find that tight, especially if you got an acoustic and your body's joining there. You might find it a little trickier. The E, it's very Sultans of Swingy, eh? So F sharp minor E is this guy, first finger on that 7th fret, ring fingers squashing the D, G, and B strings, and I'm muting the high E. You'll see it X'd out there. Trying not to hit him with the right hand, but also if I do hit him, he's dead anyway. That's an E, and here's a D. That guy there. So E, and you're also going to find a B in the song later. That's in the 2nd fret, same shape. Okay. If those chords are new to you, recommend stopping tape and just go and get those under your belt. So those are all the parts we need. So we've got our main riff here. And chords. That happens underneath the main riff. In the bridge section, there's only 2 sections. There's your verse bit and what I'll call your chorus. Verse and chorus, and they just go round and round and round and round and round. In the chorusy bit, which is bolded and in italics, is an A. I'm going to go to this A here. When I'm playing electric guitar, I'll generally play my A's like that with 1 finger. Acoustic, I tend to go more full fingered, but on the A, it gives it a rockier kind of a sound. I'm only playing the A, D, and G strings. It keeps it kind of rocky sounding. Easy to get to as well. There's an A, there's a difference in the clothes she wears. B, F sharp minor down to me. Da, da. And something's bracketed on my charts, 2 beats apiece. Okay, so E and D in the chorus are 2 beats apiece. So I know that was quick and dirty. So stop tape. Okay, let's do a slow play along right now. We'll do a slow play along. So the song comes in 121 beats a minute. It's 121 beats a minute. I'll take 20 points off that just for the slow play along. That's just a matter of going to the Beatbuddy here. 121 down to 101. There we go. Just turn the tempo dial, and we'll turn it back up to full speed when we do the full speed play. So this is, okay, so I'll get that going. I'm going to do the intro. The intro is the main riff twice, okay? Main riff, and then we're into the verse. I'll go verse, chorus, slowed down, and then we'll do the whole thing at real speed. So jump in. You decide what part you want to play. Are you going to play this part? Or are you going to play this part? It'd be totally fair, because it's new to you, if it's new to you, to play, just stick with the chords at first. I might go back and forth. I might sometimes play the main riff, and I might sometimes play the chorus, just depending how it strikes me. I'll try to sound out the lyrics as well. There's a lot going on there. So I'll get this guy going. So count you in. Ready? And a 1, 2, 2 times. Intro. more time. I'll switch to the chords now. Verse, under my thumb. The girl, D, who once had me down. F sharp minor, under my thumb. The girl, D, who once pushed me around. Chorus, A, it's down to me. 2 A's, here's a D, the difference. B, and the clothes she wears. F sharp minor, down to me. Change half of E, D, under my thumb. 4 long bars on the A. Verse, under my thumb. The squirming dog who's just had her day. Under my thumb. The girl just changed her ways. Here's your chorus again. A and me. Yes it is. D, the way she does. B, just what she's told. F sharp down to me. Change half an E, half a D, under my thumb. 4 long A's. I'll tell you about that in a set. High part. Okay. Hey, good though. So that was a slowed down version. You should be able to do that before we go to the full thing, which we'll do right this minute. That part won't have that much time to kill on the A. You hear multiple guitars on the original recording. So if you're just one person playing the guitar, on that A, I finger it like that, as I say, with the first finger, and then once in a while, I'll put my pinky on the 5th fret of the top 2 strings and just do that little spray. You hear Keith Richards in there, I think it's still signature kind of ideas, and it helps if you're just one guy to put that in, do something in there to kill all that time. So back to 121. Grab your sheets from patreon.com. This is the fabulous Beatbuddy. The links are below, and I love this thing. I've been using it for years and years, and I've been affiliated with them for about 3 years now, I think. 2.5, 3 years. Wonderful company, and that's the Beatbuddy, which is plugged directly into the Aeros Looper, which I did at the very beginning. Easy as pie. The 2 devices, they speak to each other. I plugged one into the other. I press go. The Beatbuddy controls the looper, and they're built to be used together. So, but if you can only get one, grab the Beatbuddy and then add the looper later, or vice versa. Highly recommend, guys. Highly recommend those. All the links are below, and of course, if you use a promo code GAW10, it will get you 10% off at checkout, and help to support the channel. Much appreciated. And again, last thing, go grab those sheets. Patreon.com/guitar@work. Here is a full-length play-along. Fasten your seatbelts at full speed. Are we recording? We're good. Everything is working. It seems to be working. Knock wood. Here we go. So intro twice, and I'll switch in the verses. I'll switch back and forth from chords to the lead part, however it might strike me, and I'll try to talk out the lyrics, and I'll have to scroll. You know the drill. Here it comes. I'll count you in. Wait for it. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Intro twice. Again. Play the chords underneath me if you want. Play the chords. I'll play the chorus here. Verse. My thumb. E is a girl. D once had me down. Under my thumb. F sharp minor. E the girl. D coming. Push me around. Chorus. A, it's down to me. D, the difference. B, clothes she wears. F sharp minor to me. E to D, under my thumb. Long A. Put that little high guy in if you can. There's 3. Verse. Play the chords if you want. Squirma dog, who's just had her day. Under my thumb, a girl who's just changed her ways. Chorus, A, jumping down to me, yeah. D coming in the way she does. B, just what she's told. F sharp minor down to me. Change has come. E, D, under my thumb. I use the alternate voices, right? Say it's all right there. Verse coming in under my thumb. Play the chorus underneath me if you want. Siamese cat of a girl. Under my thumb. She's a sweetest pet in the world. Bottom of the page, A, it's down to me. Yes, it is D, the way she talks. B, when she's spoken to. F sharp down to me. E to D, change has come under my thumb. 4 bars of A. Cover me, I gotta scroll. Instrumental, F sharp minor, same as a verse. You could play the main riff if you wanted. Same as a verse. F sharp minor, ba 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 boom 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 boom. Chorus, second page now. It's down with me. Oh yeah, D, the way she talks. B, when she's spoken to. F sharp minor down to me. E to D, changes come. She's under my thumb. A, 4 bars. A, got another verse to do. F sharp minor under my thumb. Kept to herself. Under my thumb. Looking still. Look at someone else. Last chorus. A is down to me. That's what I said. D, the way she talks. B, when she's spoken. F sharp minor down to me. The change has come. She's under my thumb. A, all the way home. A million A's. Take it easy, baby. Now you can strum an A. It's fine. You can strum a regular A or that rocky bit. A all the way home. Great groove. Okay, I'll stop there. Hey, I hope you got through that okay. I know it's fast, it's moving. I really wanted this one to represent the 3 distinct parts in there. You're hearing that strumming, as I did in the very beginning, and those little chord stabs with the alternate chords on top, and then the main riff. If you have friends that play, jump in, swap parts, enjoy that, and you kind of learn to play together that way. I'll play this part if you play that part, and you flip them around. If you don't have a playing partner, grab a looper. Aeros Looper from Singular Sound. But hey, and also head to patreon.com/guitar@work and grab the song sheets and many, many, many more, and we can communicate there. So thank you guys. Always fun. That's it for Under My Thumb. Keep the comments, suggestions, and requests coming. And thank you for subscribing. Please do subscribe and hit that notification button, that bell. It'll tell you when new videos come out. You're used to that from YouTube. Am I forgetting anything? There's only 2 separate parts. So no, we're good. Take care, guys. See you soon. 1, 2, 2, ow.